Hey everybody, AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119. So we have another Ameritron Al811h here. I went through it, fixed it. Had issues with the plate choke. Customer ordered a set of tubes from Penta. He supplied them. So replaced the plate choke. A couple of the screws were loose on the sockets for the grid connections, so I pulled this whole plate out. I directly grounded each grid to the plate with a tab. Resecured all of the screws for the sockets. They're nice and tight now. Cleaned the output rotary switch and input rotary switch with deoxit gold. Checked everything else out. Added the gas tube, gas discharge tubes, one per side of the filament. Touched up on some solder joints. Checked the tolerance of the bleeder resistors. They're good. So this thing is good to go. Also tested, of course, on all bands and checked the SO239 connectors. Oh yeah, he wanted it wired for 240. I forgot about that at his request. So strapped for 240 at the primary connection point behind the plate, and I put the plug on that he requested. So this thing's all set. AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119. Got a lot of stuff here. I'm trying to keep up on making some videos here, but it's tough. But I'll be back. Take care.